The ability to speed up installation while maintaining quality work on a job site is critical to any electrician. Saving minutes off repetitive actions can increase the profitability of any project. Reaming conduit and attaching fittings are time-consuming tasks. With the new conduit reaming drill head from Klein Tools, the professional tradesperson will spend a fraction of the time reaming conduit and attaching fittings compared to traditional hand conduit reamers. It's perfect for the medium to large project and a must-have in any electrician's tool bag. Klein Tools designed this new reamer to withstand the force of the most aggressive power tools on the market. Constructed with a 1/4 inch quick release hex, it can install onto any power drill in the field. Within seconds, the newly engineered reaming blade removes the most stubborn burrs on conduit without the strain and fatigue caused by a hand tool. The replaceable driver bit is perfect for installing couplers and connectors without missing a beat. Throughout the design and development process, Klein Tools brought this new product to the field to ensure it met the standards expected by professional tradespeople.
Yeah, definitely more productivity. Like I say, throw a lot more pipe in and you can do all of it in one. With the hand reamer, you kind of have to find the slot on a hand reamer in order to get the set screw. With this, you can see what you're doing. You can torque it down pretty good.
Each tool comes with a blade specifically designed to withstand the high RPMs and force of an impact driver and can be used on 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch conduit. Blades and bits are easily replaced when they become worn, ensuring quality conduit reaming and fitting installation every time. The new conduit reaming drill head, manufactured in the USA by Klein Tools, dedicated to the professional tradesperson since 1857.